These are the 10-inch Revolver Machined aluminum wheels. This set of revolvers are wrapped in a 205 50-10 low-profile tire. If you're looking for a bolt-on, no-lift kit required wheel and tire combo, this street sport wheel set is exactly what you need for your cart. This combo is perfect for any golf cart. You won't experience any rubbing or grinding with this set on a stock suspension. They'll fit any EZGO, club car, or Yamaha golf cart with no modifications necessary. Just bolt on and go. This combo is turf safe and DOT approved, so from the pavement to the course, you're covered. The link to this combo will be down in the description below, where you can shop this set as well as many others on our website at golfcarttiresupply.com.